was caught off of the reef.
Let's hear
I
it.
was 150 feet deep.
I went that way. We need someone to hold it and bring it.
Okay.
Slowly bring it.
79, huh?
It's pretty fun.
Ready for handle the high seas.
Aloha no kako. Good morning. Last night we had a fashion show at Capitol Modern for Chris and Mima. Tawa is her brand. Definitely go check them out. She's amazing. She's so talented. All of her stuff is dead stock fabric, linen, which instantly makes things more classy. We slept in a little bit because it was kind of a hectic night, and now I'm gonna try and make it to my friend's beach cleanup over on Sand Island. It's a great place to meet and make friends, and usually there's free food involved. So yeah, I'm excited to see what we'll find and who we'll meet. Just spend time outside because I've been cooped up working on a computer all week and I'm ready to go. Let's go. My hair is still greasy from the fashion show. 2 days later. Beach cleanup was really fun. I won a baby plant, which was amazing. We walked all along the beach. It was a lot of cigarette butts, like a lot of cigarette butts, which is crazy. I thought we were beyond that as a society, but I guess not. Bottle caps, and then food wrappers. Always find food wrappers. People found like huge buoys, ropes, you know, tires. Someone found a 3-prong, so that was pretty cool. 7 brothers came out and gave us free food, free burgers, which was awesome. I became a Hokulea member. So that was pretty cool. And now we're gonna go spearfishing. Yesterday I just like spent the rest of the day napping pretty much and editing and cleaning. My room looks, this is nice, believe it or not. But now we're gonna go spearfishing, which I'm really excited about. We have a 26-foot Warren Pahi, which is a catamaran, and it's similar to like a Polynesian voyaging vessel. And this year is really special. We're trying to do a Pai'aina sailing trip, meaning connecting all the moku, all the islands. We're on Oahu, so we'll be putting her in the water here. I think we'll be heading south first because we did do Kauai last summer. We spent like a lot of time there. The coast of the Nepali is just like unmatched, so I hope we get to go back depending on time. Luckily I'm starting a new job and they're letting me go sailing this summer. So amazing to find a job that like values the same things and sees it as aligned with the work that you're doing. Grateful. More on that to come. But all that to say, I'm really taking it seriously. 100% putting myself into this Pai'aina trip voyage. Starting a big thing on our task list, which is to do the glassing. So we'll have to, all our lists, we have to glass the transom, the rudders, hatches, and masthead. So that's about 3 days of glassing. Chris just went to Fiberglass Hawaii to get 0.5 or 7 ounce cloth. Is that right? I don't know. I'm still learning a lot about fiberglass. And he's having a friend come over today to kind of help us out. 1 day of filleting sheets down, 1 day of glassing and putting the cloth, and then the 3rd day is hot coats. We're gonna try and do it in big chunks because the whole process is really messy. I think I showed a bit of the process in the last vlogs, but it's sketchy to even bring my camera in the room. Really gross chemicals everywhere and you want to be really mindful of what you're touching. I'm really excited to get into it and get this big step done because obviously we want the va'a to be pa'a, we want the boat to be strong and sturdy and not have to worry about fixing her again on any more than we'll have to on the water. Let's do it.
Yeah, we got a gallon there's termites flying around.
Yeah. We can't have
I
no
caught
termites.
a termite eating a little thing, and he was like a centimeter into the wood, and I squished him, and I caught him right in half.
It was 7.5.
Yes.
So you put it on top and it creates a perfect area. You don't have to sand. Check that out. Here we go. Wow, look at that. Fresh carbon fiber engine. Hopefully it's strong for the high.
It's our new poop deck.
And check this one out. It's like opening a Christmas present. Wow. Nice.
Oh wait, no.
It's okay, sand easy. I made this because the lines are going under extra reinforcement.
Oh, extra strength.
And
How's the foil?
I did one layer of that on there for strength, but I gotta sand it. So I guess I have kind of another hot coat to go.
Patch is done.
Kind of ugly, but it's okay because I got painted.
Yay!
Unfortunately, I can't keep the wood look. The sun's gonna degrade the epoxy, and it's gonna last a couple months.
Oh.
And I gotta resand it and take care of it.
Ow.
That's why they say wood boats take a lot of care. So I'm gonna have to paint it.
That's okay. Stop.
So what you do is you lock it on, put it all in there, roll it on good, and then your last coat you do it really gentle.
We have a big day painting Aa, and a bunch of our friends are coming out. We just have a few coats to do on her, like the final coats, which is so exciting. She's gonna be dark green, which I think will look sick. And then we're gonna do the mask tan. We did the underlayer already, we did the primer. So now we just gotta do the final coats. Oh yeah, the precision. Exactly. I don't want to make any kind.
Yeah.